Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to simplify your cooking life, the COSORI Pressure Cooker 6QT. This is a 9-in-1 multi-cooker with a focus on safety and ease of use, and we're going to put it through its paces. First impressions matter, and this COSORI unit feels substantial. It boasts a stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant housing, which is a welcome touch in any kitchen, especially one that sees a lot of action. The 6-quart capacity is a sweet spot for many households, suitable for families or for batch cooking. Now, let's talk about what this machine can do. COSORI has packed an impressive array of functions into this single appliance. You've got your standard pressure cook, rice, steam, and slow cook settings, but it goes further with options like sterilize, oatmeal, stew, bean/grain, meat/poultry, sauté, ferment, and even sous vide. That's a serious amount of versatility, aiming to replace several other appliances you might have cluttering up your countertops. The sauté function is particularly useful for browning meats or vegetables before pressure cooking, all within the same pot. Safety is a huge concern with pressure cookers, and COSORI highlights their 12 safety features. One notable design element is the placement of the seal/vent button, deliberately kept away from the steam release valve. Coupled with a 30-degree backward-angled steam release, this aims to make venting safer and more comfortable. The lid also features a double-layer anti-scalding design and overheat protection, which are crucial for peace of mind. Cleaning up is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, and this COSORI seems to address that. The lid, inner pot, and accessories are all dishwasher safe, which is a significant time saver. The inner pot itself is made of stainless steel with a ceramic, hard, non-stick coating that is BPA-free, so you know your food contact materials are safe. They've even incorporated an anti-spin design for the inner pot, which keeps it securely in place when you're sautéing or stirring vigorously. One of the smart touches is the progress bar on the display. This allows you to monitor the cooking process at a glance, a small but appreciated feature. The lid locking mechanism is also clearly indicated with orange dots on both the lid and the base, making it intuitive to ensure the lid is properly sealed before cooking begins. Let's consider some of the specifics that come up in user questions. For instance, splattering during quick steam release. COSORI advises that overly fluid recipes, like soups and stews, might cause splatters and suggests natural steam release for those. For most other recipes, a brief natural release followed by a quick release is recommended. They also explain that the slow cook setting might not seem intensely hot after a long preheat. This is normal, as slow cookers aim to retain nutrients and achieve a tender taste over time at a lower temperature, rather than high, rapid heat. And, of course, the general rule of thumb for opening the lid remains consistent with most pressure cookers: wait for the float valve to drop. The inclusion of a recipe cookbook and access to more recipes through the VE Sync app is a great bonus for those who might be new to pressure cooking or are looking for inspiration. It helps you get the most out of all those different cooking functions. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the sheer versatility is a massive win. This single appliance can take on so many roles in the kitchen, from pressure cooking and slow cooking to sous vide and sautéing. The emphasis on safety features is reassuring. The easy clean design, with dishwasher-safe components, is a major convenience. The build quality feels solid, and the fingerprint-resistant finish is a practical benefit. The progress bar and intuitive lid locking system are thoughtful design elements. However, there are always areas for improvement. While 12 safety features are highlighted, some users might find the steam release process still requires careful attention, especially with very liquid-heavy dishes. The initial learning curve for a multi-cooker with so many functions could be a bit steep for absolute beginners, although the included resources should mitigate this. Also, while the slow cook function is designed for nutrient retention, some might prefer a more aggressive heat setting for certain slow-cooked dishes, though this is a common characteristic of modern slow cookers. In conclusion, the COSORI Pressure Cooker 6QT is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool. It excels in its multifunctionality, safety considerations, and ease of cleaning. For anyone looking to consolidate appliances, speed up meal preparation, or explore new cooking techniques like sous vide, this pressure cooker is a compelling option that delivers on its promises of convenience and safety. Link in the description.